Hi folks, this is Lee Murphy, artbyleemurphy.com, and I guess someday I will get back to making art and art related videos, but this is an update on the camper roof restoration, almost complete. Got all the panels in here, and I'm teaching myself how to rivet and learning why and when I should be riveting things instead of gluing and screwing. So that's an ongoing process here. And in the previous video I pointed out where these pieces of wood that were originally in these corners right here to, I guess, establish the curve of the roof and to reinforce it, they just kind of floated around here, didn't do a very good job. Didn't seem to fit really well, and they just weren't really doing the job, so I ended up taking a smaller piece of wood and putting them in that corner here to reinforce it, and then filling it in with this stuff, and eventually going to take, well, I've already done it a little bit, my little handy dandy cheapo survival knife to cut off the excess foam and to reinstall these flashing, whatever those things are, reinforcing thingies. I got the door rail reinstalled. I'm going to be riveting those in, and almost there to where I can finish epoxying in this wood, paint it, and flip it over somehow without creating any more destroyed garage fittings, light fittings, to seal up and paint the top. So hopefully that will go without incident. I'm happy that I learned how to teach myself how to rivet. One more skill, maybe useful in the future, maybe not, but I'm happy I learned it. Anyhow, things are starting to come together a little bit more, and so far I haven't destroyed anything that I know of. So hopefully that was interesting and helpful, and thank you for watching.